Hi guys, today we are tackling my spice drawer. About a year ago I did a video on my spice drawer and how I changed the jars and the labels. Well now, I think that video was done in 2019. It's so hard to believe we're in 2021. But I always said that sometimes systems will work for a while and sometimes they'll work forever, sometimes they won't work at all. Well now the system's not working anymore because the labels I use, every time I open a jar, eventually they start wearing off, and now I don't know what's what. Well, I do know what's what because I know the smell of different spices because I use so much of it. But we are going to tackle my spice drawer. I'm going to show you the labels I got off of Amazon, and hopefully these will work because what I have now is not working. So let's jump on in and I'll show you what my spice drawer currently looks like. So this is my current spice drawer, and it's not too bad, but if we look closely, you'll notice that the labels are starting to wear off, like oregano. I know this is cute. I mean, if you look really closely, even though it's worn off, you can kind of see it. Let's see. Maybe, but I know that's cumin. So that's the problem I'm having. See, it's just after wear and tear, see, it starts coming off. So I got some new labels I'm going to try. Hopefully they'll fit this jar. I think they will. So I'll show you those. So as you can see, the labels are coming off. Yeah, see, it's not lasting. Every time I grab it, eventually it starts wearing off. So I decided to try something different. So I found these labels. I got these off Amazon. They were $11.99 and it's 134 white labels on clear background, and it's 123 most used spice names, 7 numbers, and 4 symbols. So we're gonna try these and see how these work, and hopefully this will solve my problem with my spice drawer.
I had a feeling you'd come back and save me from all those lonely nights and heartbreaks, and I feel misplaced without you.
I was about to make the biggest mistake. I was gonna peel off all the labels, wipe down all the bottles, and then put the new labels on. But that would take so much time because I would have to smell all the spice or taste them to make sure I had the right spice with the right label. So I'm so glad that I realized not to do that.
Why don't we go back to? Honestly, I'm open wide. I don't feel like waking up without you by my side. I still see your silhouette. Why don't we go back to? Why don't we go back to your bedroom? And I'm just pointless without you. Why don't we go back to? Why don't we go back to? Never wanted to end things like we did. I'm sorry for all those promises I made you that I couldn't keep. But it's like some.
Doesn't that look beautiful? It looks so much better. Now, I know some people will probably put in alphabetical order, but I put what I use the most in this row and then as I go up. And it's funny because I had garlic salt. This is a Trader Joe's. This one and this one was Trader Joe's, and I took the labels off. So, because it just looks pretty, but you don't have to do that because as you can see in the back here, let's see if I can get back there, hold on. So as you can see in the back, I have my extra oregano, turmeric. I don't use chili and lime that often, but my husband does, and my husband bought these, and they stay back there. But it's amazing how these Trader Joe bottles are the same size. And the only reason why this has this label is because they didn't have that one. So I think it looks really good. I couldn't believe they had everything but the bagel seasoning. So I was like, let me take off this label. I'll let you know now, label was not easy to come off, but it was worth it. So I think it looks so nice. Welcome to my world. Yeah, that's my 6-foot daughter. I'm putting this in.
What?
I'm gonna put this in.
What?
What? I'm gonna put this in. Oh, hi. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope this inspired you to declutter something. Again, it could be something as small as a drawer. This looks really good and I think it will work. If this is your first time on my channel, thank you for stopping by. I hope you will take the time to hit that red button down below and subscribe. Give it a thumbs up. It helps my channel. And until we meet again, guys, have a very blessed day. Bye.
I love you.